Hello to everyone from the world of Zone News. Thank you for choosing us. Our video today is about the 2023 Lexus LX600. You will make us happy by watching the video until the end. The Lexus LX is as much a luxury SUV icon as the global Toyota Land Cruiser on which it is based. This body-mounted SUV has been completely redesigned for the 2022 model year and enters 2023 with minor updates. Other luxury full-size three-row SUVs include the Lincoln Navigator, Cadillac Escalade, and Mercedes-Benz GLS-Class. The previous generation Lexus LX fell behind the competition at the end of its life cycle. For 2022, it received a complete overhaul that brought major improvements in some areas. A more powerful twin-turbocharged V6 engine and 300 pounds of weight reduction accompanied an improvement in fuel economy. Despite maintaining its world-renowned off-road capability, the LX continues to lag behind its luxury three-row rivals. We found the flagship Lexus SUV to showcase a bouncy, truck-like ride on the road. Body shake on the frame takes away from what should be a luxury ride. And its interior does not match the charming cabin of the Lexus LS sedan. Fortunately, there is plenty of room for cargo and people, although the third row is difficult to access. Despite some improvements over its older predecessor, the 2023 Lexus LX remains a retrospective product that best serves to satisfy the nostalgia of buyers in search of a more rugged SUV. Lexus equips the LX600 with a 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that produces 409 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. Power is sent to a standard 4WD system via a 10-speed automatic transmission. In tests, it accelerated from 0 to 100 km per hour in 6.7 seconds, a huge improvement over the 7.6 seconds of the old LX570. Lexus has retained the off-road characteristics of the LX600 for the next generation. Unorthodox capability begins with a full-time all-wheel drive system. A locking torsion center differential is standard, while the F Sport model is equipped with a limited-slip rear differential. The LX600 has 8.9 inches of ground clearance, and its Rogue Active Height Control hydraulic suspension system can increase height by 7.0 inches or lower it by 2.0 inches. Other features include downhill assist control, a trail-detecting camera setup, and a button that can brake the inside wheel in a tight bend. Lexus equips its most advanced safety technology package in the LX SUV. Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5 includes pre-collision mitigation with pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist, lane departure assist, road sign assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beam assist. Other standard features include blind spot monitoring, parking assist with rear cross traffic assist, and low-speed 360-degree camera view. While the 2023 Lexus LX is wider than the previous generation model, it doesn't have the same width as other three-row luxury SUVs. Configuring the ultra-luxury upholstery reduces interior space by up to 33.9 inches of second-row legroom. Every 2023 Lexus LX comes with a dual-screen infotainment setup. The top screen measures 12.3 inches and handles audio, navigation, and Android Auto or Apple CarPlay projection. The lower 7.0-inch unit operates the climate controls and displays drive mode information. Lexus built-in navigation system stores map data for when cell phone service is unavailable and includes Google Points of Interest data. Lexus LX also has wireless update features. The 2023 Lexus LX600 Premium is the sweet spot of the range. This equipment is equipped with adaptive variable suspension, 7-seater seats, and an electric rear door with contactless entry. Heated and ventilated front seats, heated second-row outer seats, and ambient lighting add extra luxury to the LX600 Premium. As configured, this vehicle should have the mix of value and capability that buyers expect from a vehicle in this segment.